Hey everyone, Phil from 3DP UK Tech Channel here, and today's quick guide is on the Creality K1 AI camera and how to install it. My version is the K1, but you can also use it on the K1 Max. Shout out to PCBWay.com, the new official channel sponsor. On their website, you just PCBWay.com, you'll find lots of things such as CNC machining parts. You'll find sheet metal fabrication services that they provide. You will also find some online 3D printing services if you require that. And thanks to PCBWay.com for sponsoring today's video. So over to today's video, what we'll be looking at is the installation of the K1 camera. As you can see, quite a small box. So inside you will find the instructions. It's a very simple guide, so not too much information needs to be given on that. It gives just a brief description of where to find everything, such as the cables within the machine. The K1 and the K1 Max are pretty identical in terms of location of the camera, and then basically how to connect it up. So we'll move the instructions to the side, and then the next item out of the box is the camera itself. Now you will notice on the camera there is a plastic cover, just a screen protector, so you want to remove that. This side is the location of the connection pin, which will connect up to the printer. So let's remove the protection screen. It's not so easy to remove. There's like a pull tab. Had a few little goes at it, but we'll skip that page. As you notice, it took me a few attempts. So you've got like some screw holes. And the next item, and lastly out of the box, is the all-important connection screw. You will need to use your Allen key, which is supplied with your unit. Just make sure that you select the right Allen key. Probably worth just double checking with the Allen key and the screw itself, just to be doubly sure before you carry out the installation. And it looks as if I've selected the correct one, so I'm happy with that. So that's everything out of the box, not too much and very easy to put together. So I've removed everything from the lid. You're going to want to take the lid off. So inside you'll notice that there's a cable that's not connected to anything. Well, this is for your camera, and it fits onto there. You'll notice it's in like a little holder. Now I had a few attempts at trying to remove this until I realized it's just a push fit, and it undoes. And there's your cable. If anyone ever wondered what it was for, and it's for the K1 camera. Now nice and carefully we're going to connect it up. So you want to make sure you just push it in, but you don't want to push it in too hard so that it damages the actual connections. It should feel like a little click. Now you'll notice that the angle that you want to be facing is towards the actual printing bed, so it fits across here, and you'll notice that there's like a locating hole, and that's where that screw is going to go. That camera's in the correct position, we can go and get this screw. Now you want to go in from the top like here, and just locate it. Don't over tighten it, it doesn't need to be super tight, and should just fit into the position quite simply. And that's the whole installation complete. So it took me about 5 minutes, and I've noticed online that some people relocate the camera because they're not too happy with where it is, but I'm going to keep it there for now. And as you'll see from the desktop app, it's showing live feed and on my mobile phone app. So that's it. Also do some time lapsing. So that's it. That's all complete now, and that's the Creality K1 camera installation. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and once again thank you to our sponsors PCBWay.com.